So now in this video we're going to look at the trim pot again. It outputs a voltage anywhere from the negative supply to the positive supply, so from 0 to 5 volts, anywhere in between, but unfortunately if you try to power load it throws off that voltage. So we're going to look at one way to strengthen that signal. This still is not a good one for powering a load in most cases, but in any case we have a PNP bipolar junction transistor 2N3906. So it's wired as a voltage follower. Whatever voltage we set to the base, it's going to output that voltage, but it's actually going to add 0.6 volts. And that doesn't mean it can go to 5.6 volts. It just means that whatever you set here, the power supply will provide 0.6 volts higher, up to 5 volts right there. Now, we have to put that power through a resistor though, so we're limited to how much current we can provide if we have a load going to base. So probably won't do that. There's cases where you could, but in case we're going to look just at the basic principles. We're going to look at the base voltage. There the power is off. That is the problem. It actually provides a negative voltage, this power supply. So there we got 1.7 volts. We can expect it to be about 2.3 volts approximately at that spot. You can see that. So not exactly 0.6 volts, but approximate. So now we'll look at the voltage we got there, 3.166. We can expect about 3.8 at the output there.